You shall have a silk clay, a silver paper, and this is for your nails painting. And this is acrylic paint makers. If you can paint with this on metal, ceramic, glass, everyone, I like them so very much. And I take a little piece of clay and I take a little piece, yes, and I roll it to an egg, to a little small egg, and then shall drying up in a day. And I have some eggs was done, so I can show you for the next we shall to make. You take your silver paper and you paint it with your nail paintings, and I'm done. And after this, can you take your paint makers and you can drive painters. Drive painter. I don't know. I hope you can stand me. And I take my egg and I can measure if how long this shall be for my egg. And here you see I take a blue maker and if I can painting a little chicken, so I take my egg so I can measure how was little I will have this, or then little chicken. And now I take my pen maker and I put some little prick. So this is a little chicken wings I make. And now I will making a little chicken mouth. And I will also making of 2 eyes. And now I will painting some grass. And yeah, there you will have a little cute chicken. And now I am done. And I will clip this out. And I take my egg and put this little silver paper around the egg. This is a really lovely little chicken egg. And this is a really lovely small eggs. I love them so much. And here I have them. I'm done with this. And you can take them and place them into your dollhouse garden, and I placed them in the garden. And this is a really so lovely and cute eggs. I hope you will make these small eggs. And yeah, I love them. And now I will show you how to make these eggs. Now, and you shall have this white paint and a little egg from the silk clay, and this dried off one day. And you shall have an acrylic paint maker again, and this, and a scissor. You take this little egg and put this in on your white painting. And you're painting and painting and painting. And you shall dry things up so you can take your acrylic paint makers and painting the egg. And then color if you like. And I take this and cut this over and form this a little bit of a hanging, so this egg can hanging with this string. And I put this inside to the egg on top of the egg. I don't glue it on it. And then it is actually done. I think it is a really simple little DIY. I hope you couldn't like my little DIY. And yeah, like and subscribe and click on the bell if you will see more of me. Then you can see my little video comes if you click on the video.